तहफ़्फ़ुज़े दीन का कारवां रवा दवा उलमा का साथ दो आओ सब के सब यहाँ.
Now I invite Rayyan Ibn Najib Khan in front of all of you to come and speak on rights of parents in English.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, wa'budullaha wa la tushriku bihi shay'an wa bil walidaini ihsana. A father goodness is higher than the mountain, a mother goodness is deeper than the sea. All the people who are sitting here, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I, Rayyan Khan from Madrasa Faizan Ulum, I study in class Idadiya Hifz. Today I will speak few lines on my parents. Parents are God-given precious gift for all children. Parents are both mother and father who have brought us to this world. Mother is the one who brought us to this world. In other situation, father is the one who sacrificed his joy and time only for us. I will tell you a very important thing that is being said by the God. Al-Jannatu tahta aqdamil ummahat. It means down of the mother leg there is a heaven, and al-walidu awsatu abwabil jannah. It means father is a gate of heaven. In our parents' happiness there is God happiness. I repeat, in our parents' happiness there is God happiness. So love your parents, respect your parents, and be grateful to them that they have brought us to this world. Parents take care, advise, and teach us. They take many problems in teaching us good values and good habits. Thank you parents for bringing me to this world. Thank you teachers for giving me a chance to speak in front of you, and thank you listeners for listening my speech. Wama alayna illa al-balagh. Thank you and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
है हिंद में अनोखा मरकज तहफ़्फ़ुज़े दीन, ये दी का तर्जुमा है मरकज तहफ़्फ़ुज़े दीन.